Hello and welcome to the 38th episode of Business Litigation TV, the internet's most passionate show about business litigation. I'm your host, Jesse David Eisenberg, and I'm a New York business litigation attorney. A few weeks back, I posted and made a video regarding a post, and the name of that was the top 5 reasons you lost your money in your case. But I figured out there was one top reason you lose your case that I did not include. And when I say top reason, I mean the top reason. That reason is you withhold information as a client. It's usually not your fault because you don't think it's important. You think your case is airtight without it, something along those lines. But a typical case that a client loses because they didn't give information goes like this. A client comes in, we'll call him a potential client actually, comes in and presents their case to the attorney. As the client describes it, it's a great case. Almost airtight, A plus B equals C. Lawyer expects to win the case. So he signs up the potential client, and the potential client becomes a client. Then they file the papers to start the lawsuit. And the opposing counsel shows all this paperwork, documentation, everything that basically either refutes the client's position or negates it, and then the case is over pretty quickly because the case gets dismissed. Now, at that point, the client is screaming and hollering, you lost the case, you're the worst attorney ever, I'm going to give you a 1-star on Yelp, on Google, you get the picture. How could this have been avoided? The client needs to, from A to Z, give every piece of information to the client. What happened from day 1 to the day they came into your office. Every piece of paper from day 1 till they came into the office. Give the lawyer everything so the lawyer can look through and say, listen, you're wasting your money. You think you have a great case, but X, Y, and Z here actually shows that you're going to have a huge problem or that you don't have a case. Okay? This happens to just about every attorney I've ever seen. And there's really no way to avoid it because the client either withholds the information or just doesn't know it's important to hand to the attorney, and the attorney doesn't know what he doesn't know. So just save yourself some time. Make sure you give your lawyer everything and every piece of information, even if it seems mundane, pointless, not relevant. It's a much safer bet to tell your attorney absolutely everything. All right. Listen, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to email me, Jesse, Jesse, at jdelaw.nyc. All right, guys, as always, thanks for listening.